Hey, what up YouTube? It's PK994. What's going on, you guys? As you can tell, I'm in a different scenery tonight. I am at my parents' house for the weekend. It is Saturday. Actually, it's early Sunday morning. Spending the weekend here. And what I mean by weekend is, I come up here Saturday after work if I'm working, and then I get to ride from my dad because he usually picks up my brother because sometimes my brother works on Saturdays too, so he'll come in because from my house to my parents' house it's a few towns away. So it's like a half an hour drive one way to get to one of our houses. So I caught a ride from him after work. He picked me up at work, and then we went. So yep. Now it's like it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm watching Tomb Raider right now. I've never seen it, to be honest with you, believe it or not. So this is my first time watching it, and we're in the middle of a huge ice storm right now. It's just like mad slick out everywhere. There's like a good couple inches of ice everywhere on pavement. Even there's even a coat of ice on the snowbanks. It's not slippery, but when you step on it, it makes a crunch sound. So it's like not even an inch layer of ice. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed here in a minute. I'm really tired, but yeah, I'm watching a movie while I vlog. It's pretty funny. But so yeah. But anyway, I am extremely tired right now. You can probably tell it in my voice and everything. I got a Red Bull right now. Not because I'm tired, but because I like the taste. But I'm gonna let you guys go because I'm tired. But I figured I'd make this video because I haven't made a video in a while. But yeah, peace out, guys. Almost gave it the finger. And subscribe, comment, rate. Thanks for watching this boring ass video. Peace.